morning, everybody. And what do you say? It is, what is today? Thursday. Yes, Thursday. Anyway, I had my stopwatch going because I was cooking some brats last night. It still was going. The 8th. I just saw my Facebook pop up that it's been 1 year that I started really construction on the back of the house. I'll show some videos, and I think I'm going to do a 1 year anniversary of actually what all I accomplished on the house. I did buy this little tiny house about 1 year ago. On the inside, of course, I redid everything on it. Painted it all white and gray, two-tone, and it was just pretty much trashed out. But I redid the cupboards, put all this in there, didn't put the stove back in there, but that works as a convention oven anyway, and my toaster, hot plate. But place is a little messy right now, but came in here, redid everything. Yeah, it's just a small little 1 bedroom. Took the doors off, made so much more room. Put curtains up on the closets and everything. The bathroom, never did replace that. It was still good, but I'll put all new counter sink and everything in here. Yeah, the toilet. And it works. I also redid the basement, painted that, flooring done, painted it around, cleaned it all up down there, and put some racks down there to hold all my extra stuff. Kind of worried a little bit about my furnace, but not too much. Probably replace it. Yeah. Came in here. It was my dungeon was so dark. Painted it all white. Still got to replace that. Yeah, got the bikes in there. But as far as the outside, camping Russ, I made it, check it out, woohoo! Even was able to come around my driveway there where I want, put up my driveway and stuff, but now I gotta unload it, throw it back here, and because they're cutting all these big trees down and all around here and stuff. So what I was really concerned was driving over this because it's an old septic, but the house isn't hooked up to septic because it's hooked up to the street sewer. But still, I was like a little nervous. I said, boy, if you hear a big old crash and smell a bunch of shit, I broke my sewer. Hopefully it's filled in. All right, guys. Now, for the fun part, I got to unload it. So, time to grab a beer and some music. Rock out while I unload it. All right. See ya up and down. Totally changed that. Got rid of a bunch of trees on that side of the house. As you're looking at the house from the front on the left side, bunch of trees on that side and all along the back. Put up a really nice fence. Put a driveway, the wraps all the way around it. Put a tough shed back there. Tough shade. Yeah, it's gonna be cool. 12 by 16 from Home Depot. Looks good. Plenty of room to do what I need to do. Yep. Just within the past, I would have to say 2 months. We also got it prepped for either another small tiny house in the back or a garage. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it. I'm kind of setting it up so my mom can stay in it. But yeah, got the driveway coming out. I planted those trees this year. I put French drain systems in all around everything. You guys see a lot of rock, and I put a lot of sand in. I ended up with the different size rocks. I'd have to say 10 of my trailer loads of rock I hauled and shoveled by hand. That was quite the chore. And I did about 7 loads of really good compactable sand. Yeah, I liked the little deck on the back. It turned out real nice. Got the barbecue on there. Still so much more to do. I'm looking forward to putting the red brick around the driveways, really trimming it all out. I will be either blacktopping the driveway or running cement around the whole thing. I still need to replace my driveway part, put that over on the other side. And yeah, by the time it's all done, I think it'll probably take me about another year to knock it all out. But we got this all prepped and ready to put a fountain. Okay, this is what we started. It took it down to the sand, but it's still draining all the way back there. But we still have to do this whole section all the way up to the sand in that area. So we still have that much to dig down and take out. So we're at 3 loads, truckloads right now, I think, or 2 truckloads. I'm not sure if it's 2 or 3, but yeah, okay. On it, put the tough shed in there. We got the fence going all the way around to the other side. Of course, the driveway goes all the way around also. This was another project that I did this year. Was French drain system all the way around. Plus, I put this nice little patio going around. Oh, not bad. Almost emptied that second trailer. I'll do a little bit here and there, and then I'll take the other half and I'll move it all the way behind the shed there. Start filling in that hole. Okay. I am going to be putting maybe like a little overhang with 4x4s just to make it look kind of pretty cool, you know. Oh, what else have I done this year as far as the property wise? I will be cutting up a lot of those the wood logs, stumps, wood stumps, shellacking them with different colors and everything. Working a lot on the utility trailer, trying to get that all dialed in this year, to put another tent, rooftop tent on the top of that. Set it up to where also have the rack that's on it. That'll get it up, and so I can get the dirt bikes or the side-by-side in there. And I've only been camping once this year, which is kind of like, Yeah. But everything's pretty much wrapped up for the winter time, and I'm hoping to get out there and do some fall camping. Maybe even go down to like where it's a little bit warmer. Painted this, put flowers all the way around the house. Got my onions growing there, but that looks real nice. It's still work in progress. Planted that, but I still need to add a couple extra French drain systems. Worked on this side a lot, put up a nice little barrier right there. I do have to trim out the driveway, so like along here I'll be putting like red brick. I finished this finally. This is also my property, about where the stump is, where the rock is. But yeah, I made that look real nice. We're gonna plant some plants on that back side there. People will probably wondering, well, why did you put your fence there when your fence line's on the other side? Because I wanted the trees to look uniform on both sides of the house. And no biggie. I couldn't really have put anything extra in there the way I wanted to do it anyway. Got rid of a lot of the pond systems. So, and as I'm talking, I will show photos. Give me thumbs up if you have any questions about anything that I did this year, and I'll try to answer them. I've got a lot more projects that I'm knocking out, especially my ramp right there. That's my next one I'm working on. I'm gonna also finish up the cart for the jet ski, and yeah. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Peace out. See ya. So everything you saw, that was done at about this time last year, and that's not including helping out with a lot of the fundraisers that I was doing. Also helping pick some grapes from Thunder Bay Winery out at their vineyard. I got out on the boat a couple times, which was really nice. Rode the Harley a couple times, and so it wasn't all just work, work, work. Seems like it was work, work, work. But it you know, I stayed pretty busy. Hoping to get out and at least get up north now and see some of the trees changing their colors and stuff. So that'll be really nice. I got to do a little bit of work on some of the gear for my camping, my truck, and it'll be ready to go. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. And remember, touch that bell, give me thumbs up, and subscribe. Tell your friends. All right, guys. More and more projects to come. Peace out. See ya.